how do we measure technical bias? Well, one simple way of technical bias is just delta B equals delta W minus delta R minus 1 over sigma delta Y, delta K minus delta L. Okay? That is, it's a residual again, right? We're measuring it now as a residual. This is the change in W over R, and this is what we predict based on K over L changing. Or you can write it delta B. This would be the price measure. If you want to measure it in quantity space, it would be delta L minus delta K minus sigma delta R minus delta W. Okay, because this would be the increase in the labor to capital ratio minus what you'd expect based on substitution, right? So it's the same, either one. So those are two measures. They're just in different units because one's in the quantity world and one's in the price world. But they're always going to, they're just differ by 1 over sigma, I think. Do I have it right? I think I did okay. Am I backwards? No, I'm okay. Because delta W got a positive sign here and delta R got a negative sign, which is what it has here. So it's got the same sign, just one's in. They differ by whether they're divided by, one's got the sigma, one's been divided by sigma versus the other. Cobb-Douglas are the same.
Just now you wrote the equation actually just recently. That is, this guy, the delta B is equal to 0, right? So why is the case?
What do you mean delta B?
Delta L minus delta K equals 1 over sigma.
That's what you would expect if there is no technological bias. That's the equation you get for a given production function. For a fixed production function, that's true.
Oh, for fixed F, right?
For fixed F. This is a measure of how F is twisting. Just like TFP is a measure of how F is increasing or decreasing, this is a measure of how the isoquant's twisting.
Oh, so suppose that there's a times A. If the technological progress, is outside the function F, then
This will be 0.
it's 0.
Yep, exactly. All right? So we'll come back to this because this is going to then allow us to say what is the short and long run impact of technological progress? How does it vary with, the technical bias and the degree of substitution and all that stuff? Okay, that's where we want to go.